In this video, I'll show you how to create a smartphone mockup in Canva. Let's use this image as an example. Click the image to select it and open the Edit menu. Scroll down to the Apps section and find the mockups. Open the Mockup tool and browse the smartphones category to find a template. Click your chosen smartphone mockup to apply it. On the left panel, choose between Fill or Fit to adjust how the image fills the screen. Use the alignment and flip options to refine the image's position and orientation. Once you're satisfied with the adjustments, click Apply Changes to finalize the mockup. That's it! Your smartphone mockup is now ready to showcase your design. Thanks for watching.